Welcome to 2 Crossbow Place. It's a great 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo with hardwood flooring downstairs and a private full bathroom in each bedroom, as well as an enclosed back patio. It's located in the Crossbow townhomes community in the Harbison or St. Andrews area of Columbia. Convenient to great dining and shopping in Harbison, I-26 and I-20. Lake Murray and Lexington, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're out front now. You can see this is an end unit. You have a covered front entry or front porch there. You also have parking out front in the parking lot here as well. And then your mailboxes are kind of on that island across the parking lot. So we'll go inside now and take a look. So you have tile flooring here in the foyer. You can see the stairs going up to the second level there. But you have nice high ceilings downstairs. Hardwood floors in the laminate hardwood starting in the living room here and continuing throughout the main level. You have a gas log fireplace as well as a sort of a media hutch back there as well. Ceiling fan also in this room. Window looking towards the front. And then some nice sort of glass around the door letting in some nice extra natural light. Then you also have a coat closet here off the, sort of a coat and storage closet off the living room. As well as a half bathroom with tile flooring. You have a single vanity in there, or excuse me, a pedestal sink. Then again, the hardwood floors continue. Tile by that back door as well. But you have a dining room on the right side, and then a kitchen with granite countertops. You have bar seating against the edge here. The sink's at an angle. Window out to the patio. Stainless steel appliances include side-by-side refrigerator, built-in microwave, smooth top electric stove, and a dishwasher as well. Then you also do have your laundry closet or laundry room on the opposite side here. Ceramic tile flooring in there as well, cabinet, and you have full-size washer and dryer connections. And I believe that will accommodate a side-by-side as well as a stackable. Just depends on the dimensions of your actual units. So you may want to view and measure if you need to. And then you have a pantry here, sort of on the back side, off of the dining area. Nice sliding glass door with the interior panes. Then you have a fenced back patio area here, as you can see. And then we'll take a look at the 2 bedrooms upstairs. So you have carpet starting up the stairs, and a small landing up here, off of which you have a linen closet. Then you have your master bedroom, vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan. Looking out towards the front, you have a walk-in closet on this side. And then also a full bathroom. Again, the ceramic tile flooring, single vanity with large countertop. You have a garden tub, as well as a walk-in or stand-up shower. And a window in there as well, and then your commode is kind of back in the corner there. And then right across the hall, last but not least, we have our second full bedroom. Also has vaulted ceilings and a ceiling fan. This one has a window overlooking the back. And then you, of course, do have an included walk-in closet. It's actually a bit bigger than the other one, so you might want to use this as the master, but it does just have a difference in the tub. So you have just a standard size tub and shower in here, and then smaller countertop looks like, and then the tile flooring as well. And they also do have a sort of small window up there for some nice extra natural light. So that concludes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 2 Crossbow Place in the Harbison area, Northwest Columbia. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.